What's happening, guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Today we have more F30 modifications. We are doing the carbon fiber side skirt extensions by Suvneer. Suvneer, thank you so much for sending them out. I will link the product down below if you guys are interested in buying a set. Let's go ahead and check out what we got. All right, man, these are dope. So these are a little bit different than the ones that I ran on my F30, which I think is kind of cool. They have a little more flavor to them, just a bit of flare out in the end, whereas mine were just like the straight cut. So these are a little bit different. I actually really like them. I think they're gonna look really good on Andres' F30, especially with that mineral gray that he has. Carbon fiber just looks awesome on darker cars like that. It's a very subtle flex. In my opinion, side skirt extensions are the most underrated modification that you can do, and they just add so much presence to the car. So this is what we're gonna be working on today. You guys can see the 2x2 weave here. It is gorgeous, looks really nice. After we do the install, we're gonna go ahead and ceramic coat these so they are protected. It'll just make cleaning them and keeping them clean 10 times easier. Anyways, you guys, let's head up to the garage. I think Andres just pulled up. Let's get these boys installed. Looking clean. Ready for some side skirt extensions? Let's do it. Let's do it. I gotta pull my car out and then we'll pull yours in. See how this snack is looking.
How many times have you come to see your car today?
Second time.
Not bad.
Not too bad. All right, guys, so we have everything here, everything that we need. We got...
Bro.
It's just, literally just stepping on everything. We got the double-sided tape right here. He bought a little bit more in case we need it. And then it comes with self-tapping screws. So I think we're looking at them, I think we're gonna do 5. I'm gonna pilot some holes and do 5 for each side, which should be plenty. Every time I've had these on the car, they hold up really well, even just with the 3M, but it is wise to obviously use some self-tapping screws. So we'll use probably 5 on each side. First thing we're gonna do is go ahead and mock them up to the car, then jack up the car, and then we'll go ahead and pilot the holes, and then we'll lay on the tape, lay it on the car, put in the self-tapping screws, and we should be good. Lastly, we're gonna go ahead and actually ceramic coat these with C-quartz, just because that is the way to go. I have all the carbon on my car ceramic coated with that stuff, and it's awesome. So let's go ahead and jack up the car and lay it up to the side and see how it looks. All right, so he's cleaning the undersurface with that isopropyl. You wanna make sure you get all the gunk off underneath there so the adhesive sticks nice and well. I'm gonna go ahead and mark up the holes with a Sharpie, figure out where exactly we want to drill, but we did decide on 5, so it'll be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 kind of deal. So I need to come forward a little bit right there. And then obviously we want this to be in a little more. Dang, that looks good. Dude, that's gonna look awesome.
Yeah, that's perfect.
Got him! Sick, dude. Yeah, these look really good. Perfect fitment. Just a little bit of flare on the side. They look, man, they look sharp.
Pizzazz.
Yeah, just a touch. It's like that OEM Plus pizzazz. Like, look at how clean that fitment is, though. Like, these notches line up perfectly and everything. All right, so now we just gotta do the other side, and we're golden. Then we'll pull this out and show you guys what it looks like. Tape is so darn thick. Thick, boy. so we got both of them on. They look super good. Very, very clean. Honestly, probably like the most underrated modification you can do to any car. You just walk up to it and it looks so much better on the side profile. So we got both of them on. We're gonna go ahead and apply this ceramic coating. This is the stuff that I've been using. You guys have seen it on the channel before, Sea Quartz Deluxe. It's for wheel and trim. As far as trim is concerned, I've been using it on all my carbon fiber and it seems to do a great job. So we're gonna go ahead and clean the carbon surface with isopropyl one more time. And then we'll go ahead and apply this. I basically just ripped Tire Shine applicator pad up. I'm using this to apply it. I'm gonna use this and then lay it on, wait a few minutes until it cures, and then go ahead and level it out with a, not this one, but a clean microfiber towel. And then we'll wait and we should be good. Just can't get it wet for 24 hours, but it's nice out today, so we should be good. That's probably too much. Really don't need much. So it literally lays on like a, oh man, I put too much on. It like immediately takes away that dullness. It's crazy, dude. It makes such a big difference. Just look at it.
Yeah, it's a lot shinier.
You can just tell, it's like so much shinier. And that's not even leveled out yet. So once you level it, those like streaks go away and it just looks like a clear coat.
There's some haziness here. I'm curious to see if it goes in.
It'll help it for sure. It even fills in scratches and scrapes and stuff. It's pretty cool. Ideally, you just like want one pass like that. You should be good. Glossy that is, man. All right, so now that everything is coated, everything is installed, we're gonna go ahead and do some roller action, take this car out on the road, maybe grab some cinematics and then some photos.
It looks really good.
Such a simple modification, but makes such a huge difference in the presence of the car. All right, just pulled up to the spot. Kind of a cool little spot. Alright guys, so those are the side skirt extensions by Suvneer. If you're interested in a set, I'm going to link it down below. Suvneer, huge thank you for sending out the side skirt extensions. They look awesome. They're not like your typical side skirt extensions. They just have that little bit of curve that comes out the back. It's a little bit of flair. What do you think, man?
I think they look great. It's the cleanest option I've seen for side skirts.
They're super clean. So like I said, if you guys are interested, linked down below. Super easy install. It took us maybe 20-30 minutes with ceramic coating, so anyone can really do it with basic tools in their garage. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please do subscribe, comment down below, like this video, hit that bell notification just like that. Video's over, and we're out. Peace.